They say noise is power. The louder you are, the more powerful you seem. But true strength is silent. It grows when no one is watching, and it explodes when least expected. Do not misunderstand it. This is not a call to be weak or passive. No. There are times to speak up, to be vocal, and to make your presence known. But those who know how to utilize silence understand its power. They know when to be silent and when to speak, and they use this ability to their advantage. A truly powerful person does not need to constantly prove themselves. They don't need to show off their skills or try to impress others with their knowledge. Why? Because they know their worth. And so, they save their energy for what truly matters. This is why you should never underestimate someone who is quiet. You may think that they are weak, or that they don't have anything to contribute, but that couldn't be further from the truth. For it is in their silence that they are most powerful. There is a quote that goes, "Do not disturb the tranquility of the mind. It is in the stillness that the universe speaks." This is a reminder that we should not always be so quick to judge others. We may think that someone is lazy or unmotivated because they are quiet, when in reality they are simply taking the time to plan their next move. In a world where everyone is so focused on themselves, it can be easy to forget this important lesson. We are all too quick to judge those who are different from us, but we must remember that it is in our differences that our strengths lie. So, if you are quiet, do not think that you are weak. Your silence is your superpower. Use it wisely, and you will see just how powerful you truly are. There is an old saying that still waters run deep. This means that people who are calm and quiet on the outside are often deep and intense on the inside. Just because someone is not loud and boisterous doesn't mean they're not intelligent, capable, or interesting. In fact, it often means quite the opposite. People who are still waters tend to be more thoughtful, introspective, and self-aware than those who are loud and outgoing. They take the time to consider their thoughts and feelings before they speak, and they tend to have a depth of knowledge and understanding that others admire. So next time you meet a stranger, don't just judge them by their appearance. They may just surprise you with their intelligence and insight. So friends, in a world where everyone is so quick to judge others, let us all remember the power of silence. Let us be like the still waters, deep and calm on the outside, yet powerful and strong on the inside. Let us be the silence that shakes the world.